In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all unread emails in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find only the messages you haven't opened yet and quickly act on them, all from Outlook on the web. Start by opening your browser and searching for Outlook. Click the official Outlook link to go to your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, do that as you normally would. Once your inbox loads, make sure you're in the folder you want to review, typically Inbox. At the top of your message list, look for the Filter button. It usually looks like a small funnel and sits above your emails near the Sort options. Click that Filter button, and from the menu that appears, choose Unread. The moment you do this, Outlook narrows the view to show only messages that haven't been opened yet. This is great for clearing noise and focusing on what still needs attention. If your list suddenly looks shorter than expected, remember that you may be viewing a single folder. Switch folders if needed to see unread messages elsewhere. With the Unread filter active, it's time to select those messages. Click the Select button above the message list, then choose All. This tells Outlook to select every email currently displayed in the filtered view. If you have a large number of unread messages spread across multiple pages, scroll down to load more before selecting, or keep an eye out for any prompt that allows you to select everything in the results. The key idea is that you're selecting the set of unread messages you can see after applying the filter. Now, with everything selected, click the checkmark style icon in the toolbar. In Outlook on the web, this icon applies the action to your selection. When your view is filtered to unread, using this control typically marks those emails as read. You'll notice the unread count drop, and your filtered list will empty or shrink immediately, confirming the change. If you make a mistake, look for the quick undo prompt that appears briefly at the bottom of the screen. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. The unread filter is a view setting, so you can clear it at any time by reopening the filter menu and returning to the default view. Also, if you prefer to review messages before marking them as read, keep the unread filter on and open emails one by one. The filter will update as each message is read. That's it. Your unread messages are easy to find, easy to select, and easy to handle in bulk with Outlook's filter and select tools.